Let's cook chicken curry for dinner today. Although it's quite a long process, the result is worth it. This recipe is for 5 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 680 grams of chicken, washed and cleaned. Today I have 6 drumsticks, 2 large potatoes cut into quarters, 800 ml of water, 100 ml of concentrated coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of concentrated tamarind water, 2 stalks of cilantro, 4 stems of curry leaves, 1 large tomato, 2 green chilli, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 5 tablespoons of curry powder for meat. This is how it looks like. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. For the spices, I have 5 cloves, 3 pieces of cardamom pod, 1 cinnamon stick, and 2 star-anise, 2 large onions, 6 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of sugar, and half tablespoon of salt. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the show more link. Sprinkle and rub half tablespoon of salt on the chicken until well incorporated. Sprinkle and rub 3 teaspoons of curry powder until the chicken is coated with curry powder. Alright, this should be okay. Leave it aside. Cut the red onions, garlic, green chilies, and tomato into small pieces. These are the spices that have been washed. Let's cook the curry. Put all the cooking oil in the pan. Switch on the heat and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in all the garlic and spices. Give it a stir. Add in all the red onions, 4 stems of curry leaves. Press and remove only the leaves in the pan. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes until onions become soft. Like this. Add in the chicken and give it a stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until chicken has changed color to gray. Add in 50 ml of water if it is getting dry. After about 2 minutes, the chicken is a little dry again. Add in 50 ml of water. The chicken is changing color and is no longer red. Next, add in all the curry powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. Give it a stir and mix. Once the curry powder is added, the curry will be very dry. Add in 100 ml of water and mix until chicken and ingredients are well incorporated. Add in 200 ml of water. And all of the potatoes. Stir and mix. Add in another 400 ml of water. Give it a stir and mix. Add in tamarind water and stir again. Cover the pan and set the heat to medium to allow it to cook for 30 minutes. As the chicken and potatoes take a long time to cook until soft, we need to stir the curry from time to time so that it does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan. After 30 minutes, see, the gravy has reduced a lot. Check the chicken. It is quite soft. I can poke through it easily with fork. The potato is also cooked and soft. See? It is easy to poke through. Next, add in 100 ml of coconut milk, cut green chilli, and the tomato wedges. Give it a stir until well combined. Continue to cook for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, the curry is well cooked. The gravy has reduced slightly, which makes the curry to become thicker now. It is well balanced with the chicken and potato. It looks so yummy. Stir to ensure the thick gravy does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan. Give it a taste. Okay, it is better to taste the curry first before adding in sugar and more salt. Add in half tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir until well combined. Switch off the heat. Add in all the cilantro leaves. Stir to mix. Alright, a delicious and simple chicken curry is ready. Allow it to rest in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes before dishing out and serve. Okay, let's dish out and serve. The curry is best served with white rice. Let's eat. Very delicious. The chicken is tender and the potato is soft. The gravy is very thick and creamy with a little hint of spiciness and tanginess. So lovely. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.